Paano mo malalaman if kumikita na yung investment mo sa stock market? Meron kasing dalawang ways kung paano ka pwedeng kumita sa stock market, and both of them you can find sa iyong stockbroker dashboard. As an example, this is the Dragonflies mobile app, and makikita nyo dito the total investment that I have nasa 33,000. And then sa baba, ayun, yun yung mga hawak ko or mga nabili kong stocks, ICT at saka Metrobank. ICT operates and managed container terminal dito sa Pilipinas and even abroad. Hawak ito ng mga razons. So I bought 30 shares of ICT at a price originally at 376 lang kada isang share. Pero right now kasi yung price nito umangat na. So naging 419 pesos na siya kada isang share. And that growth is reflected here. 10% up, 1,000 pesos plus. That means lumaki na ang value ng ICT ko and now I am up by 10%. Remember, hindi pa ito actual profit. You actually need to sell your shares if you wanted to take that profit. This just means that it is the value of the stock grows. I have Metrobank naman dito and currently down yung kanyang value. The second way naman is through dividends and makukuha mo ito as you own those shares by the ex-date. Ito yung mga list of dividends na nakuha ko in the past. So from your stockbroker dashboard, makikita niyo ang inyong real-time value ng mga shares ninyo plus the dividends din. Ikaw ba, anong stock ang tinitingnan mo ngayon?